This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Tone and Sane Alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio Tone and Sane Alert systems.